So what's going on, guys? New video about something I don't want to actually do or didn't really plan on doing. Cars break down and schnitzel happens. So my W124, that one, it has an issue. I will show you what it is, and it's not good. So if you look into here, this is the coolant holder. It's hot, and that's oil. A lot of it. So I'm gonna have to fix it, or there's a way of maybe fixing it for a cheap way. I will show you now. So this stuff right here, steel seal, you can get it on Amazon everywhere. I bought it at the store now and it's in German, but it also says everything in English if you look in the box. This stuff goes into the coolant thing. So it goes into here. You dump the whole thing in here. It says how many liters per how many. Right down here it says over here. It says how much of this you put in per liter. So 4 liters you put a whole, or like 2.3 engine you put all of this in there. This, it says that it has, I will show you another thing right now. Wait. So this right here came with it, and it says 99% Erfolgsrate. That means like that it worked, and not just short term but like long term. And obviously the 1% there is enough for me to not believe this already. So we'll dump that in there and find out. Also, what's cool about it, it says 30 days Geld zurück, right here, money back. Whoop, whoop. Yeah, if it doesn't work, I can just get my money back. So let's dump it in there. Alright, before I dump it in there, I gotta clean the whole system. So I'm gonna empty that all out, take the hose off down at the bottom of the radiator, over there, right down there. Let it all drain, clean it out with some water, and then put new stuff in there first. So there's a little screw here to undo the clamp. So I just cleaned the whole canister. So we're gonna dump this into there now. The whole thing comes in there. So it says to let it idle for 30 minutes to get into temperature, and then let it sit for 6 hours. So let's see how that runs now. Not running that smooth, but I mean, if it has an issue, then it has an issue, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna let it keep idling and just wait. So I drove the car for 2 weeks, maybe 3, with that stuff in there, the steel seal. And I'm gonna see if anything changed. I was noticing weird oily leaks. Look how nasty all of this looks. It's coming out of here, and it looks very oily. That looks like a bunch of nastiness. So, you know how I was saying about that 1%? Yeah, you might as well write Nico S-Wine. Won't work for you. You can see in the bottom of the car all those oil leaks and everything. I hate that so much. So I'm gonna order new complete top end, and then when all that stuff is here, probably rebuild it. Like, look at all that. Well, right, I probably spilled some because that's a lot. Yeah, order the stuff, and then we're gonna have a complete engine rebuild on this thing.